Imagine how powerful will be to have an AI assistant that can book, can reschedule, can cancel, save notes for you, and get the feedback from your customers. So here we have one assistant with one webhook, and we got 5 tools. Let's test it out and see how we go. So we're gonna call the assistant.
Ops, I must have fallen asleep. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. How can I assist you today?
Well, I was thinking, can I make a booking for today at 5 p.m., please?
Unfortunately, bookings can only be made from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Brisbane time, and it's already past 11 p.m.
Oh,
Would you like?
you are amazing. Okay. Let me see. 4 p.m. is that all right?
Could you please provide me with your full name and phone number so I can check the availability for you?
My name is Valentino, and my phone number is 0412 123 456.
Thank you, Valentino. Could you please confirm the date you would like to book the appointment for 4 p.m.?
Yeah, for tomorrow. Today, sorry, today, Friday, 4th.
Just to clarify, you would like to book an appointment for today, Friday, October 4th at 4 p.m.
Yes, sir.
However, unfortunately, it's already past 11 p.m. on October 4th. Would you like to book for another day?
Of course it is, because today is Saturday. Can I book for today at 4 p.m., Saturday, 5th?
Appointments are available Monday through Friday. Would you like to book for Monday, October 7th at 4 p.m. instead?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Let's get your appointment.
Monday sounds good.
Great. Wait. I'll book your appointment for Monday, October 7th at 4 p.m. Please confirm your full name and phone number. Full name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Hold on a sec. Your appointment has been successfully booked for Monday, October 7th at 4 p.m. Here are the details. Name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. Date and time Monday, October 7th at 4 p.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yeah, can you please change the booking from 4 p.m. to 4:30, please?
Sure, I can help with that. Let me confirm your details again. Full name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. Current appointment Monday, October 7th at 4 p.m. New desired time Monday, October 7th at 4:30 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Give me a moment. Your appointment has been successfully rescheduled. Here are the updated details. Name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. New date and time Monday, October 7th at 4:30 p.m.
No, you know
Is
what?
there anything else I can assist?
Yeah, you know, actually, I forgot I have something on. Can you please cancel it for me?
Sure. Let me confirm your details again. Full name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. Appointment to cancel Monday, October 7th at 4:30 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Give me a moment. Your appointment for Monday, October 7th at 4:30 p.m. has been successfully canceled. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, you know what? Just book it again.
Sure.
Book it again, but at 10 a.m., please.
Let me confirm your details again. Full name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. Desired appointment Monday, October 7th at 10 a.m. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Just a sec. Your appointment has been successfully booked for Monday, October 7th at 10 a.m. Here are the details. Name Valentino. Phone number 0412123456. Date and time Monday, October 7th at 10 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome, Valentino. Have a great day.
And now let's try to book again on the same time and date.
Ops, I must have fallen asleep. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Can you please book me in for Monday at 10 a.m.?
Sure, I can help with that. Before proceeding, could you please provide your full name and phone number?
My name is Valentino, and my phone number is 0412 123 456.
Thank you, Valentino. Just to confirm, you would like to book an appointment for Monday, October 7, 2024 at 10 a.m. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
The 10 a.m. slot on Monday, October 7, 2024 is not available. However, there is an available slot at 10:10 a.m. on the same day. Would you like to book this alternative time?
No, book at 10:20, please.
Just to clarify, would you like to book the appointment for 10:20 a.m. on Monday, October 7, 2024?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hold on a sec. Your appointment has been successfully booked for Monday, October 7, 2024 at 10:20 a.m. Here are the details. Name Valentino. Phone number 0412234456. Date and time Monday, October 7, 2024 at 10:20 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
You mean 10:20? Yeah.
Yes, I apologize for the confusion. Your appointment is confirmed for Monday, October 7, 2024 at 10:20 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, it went smooth. We need some adjustments in the prompting, so it will read the numbers instead of saying 10:20, 1:20, 10:20. And yeah, let me know in the comments how this can help your business and what else would you add to this. And now let's try the feedback. So the feedback, I put it as notes. I will change it as to be as feedback, and let's see how that works.
Ops, I must have fallen asleep. Are you okay?
Yeah, can I leave you feedback? Can you make some notes, please?
Of course. I'd be
The
happy to take notes for you.
yeah
Could you please?
the AI voice is not very well done. So some adjustments to the speed and quality of the voice will be amazing. Can you let the owner know, please?
Sure, I can take that note for you. Before I proceed, could you please provide your full name and phone number?
Yeah, my name is Valentino and my phone number is 0412 123 456.
One moment. I've noted your feedback regarding the AI voice. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Valentino. If there's anything else I can assist you with, please let me know. You're welcome, Valentino. If you ever need assistance again, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
In the next video, I'm gonna go through step by step how the tools work, how we created them, and how we can implement them into a transient assistant. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.